everybody, this is Georgia with Creative Moments by G, and today we are going to make a fantastic Christmas ornament. Look at this. Isn't this adorable? And let me show you what happens. When you take the bead down, you close it, and then you just put the bead back, and you can hang it from a present, just like that. And then you say, okay, no, you've opened the present, but there's something else. Open up your little box and look what happens. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It goes right into the star. You simply put this and there you have it. Isn't that adorable? Let's get busy and let's get this made. The first thing you're going to need to do is cut 5 pieces of paper. And the size of this paper is a 3 by 3 square. So just a 3 by 3 square. You are going to score it 1.5 all the way down, turn it, score it 1.5 so that you have a cross, and then you're going to put it on your cutting machine and you're going to score it diagonally, but just one time, diagonally from tip to tip. Do that to every single piece of paper, all 5 pieces of paper, and then you're going to cut a little 1.5-inch square. You need 2 of those because those are our end points that we're going to put on as we put our string so that we can create our little star ornament. So let's go ahead and get this started. Now you can see we're going to just fingertip crease these. You can use the bone folder if you want. Just go ahead and fingertip each one. Just crease it. These are so cute. The kids can make these. You can decorate your entire Christmas tree with this. And now remember, we have a diagonal here, right? So what we're going to do is put it down on your table and just use your thumbs and come in. See how the diagonal comes in? And then you can just press with your finger. That's one. We're going to put it down on our table. Put your thumbs in the back and just come in and press with your fingers. Once again, put your paper down with your thumbs. Come in where the diagonal is. Crease it really well. Move on to the next. Okay, our diagonal's right there. We're going to come in with our diagonal. Crease it really well. And our last one. Okay, so next we're going to put our beautiful ornament together. So you need to grab you some glue. And the way that you put it together is you put your tips, your 2 backs together and make sure that the tip that you fold it on is glued. So we're just going to put some glue right here. And here's our tip that we folded. We're going to hold it together. We're going to grab another one. And here's our tip, our little point at the end. We're going to put some glue on it. You don't have to put much glue. Our tip is right there. We are going to put it right on the end and just hold it together. We're going to grab another one, put some glue on it. Make sure the tip is with the other ones. You need to put it all the same way so you get that beautiful star at the end. Then we're going to put some glue on this one. Keep it folded. And we're going to put it right like that. Now you're going to see what we're going to do with the end caps. The end caps actually hold our ribbon. So see when it opens up, the beautiful star that it makes? Well, you want your ribbon on the pointed end of it. So just remember that on the pointed end right here. So what we want to do is put some glue. Now you can tape it if you want, but I'm just going to use some glue. We're going to put it right there. Then I'm going to take an end cap and I'm going to just glue over it. Hold it for just a moment. See how it comes at the tip right there? Now we're going to turn this over. We're going to put some glue on the end of it. You can use ribbon if you'd rather, but I wanted to use this beautiful curling ribbon that I had. Just put that so it comes out at the tip. Glue down your end cap and hold it for a minute. We're going to move our glue out of the way. Just hold it down and then look at it when it opens up. Isn't that beautiful? Now remember I told you about the bead that you need. Well, let me show you how you do that. We're going to just take another bead, and I'm just going to take a wooden one. And I'm going to cut this off just a little bit. And I'm going to get it really small. So you may have to twist the end to poke it through the hole of your bead. Okay. Now you want to tie a knot at the very end of it so that you don't lose it, right? And I'm going to go ahead and tie a double knot to make it big enough. Okay, there we go. And so we have our ornament. Look at that. Now, let's say you want to put it on a package. Well, you just do this, tighten up your little bead, and there you go. You can hang that from a package. And like I said before, when they open it up, look what happens. And then you just tighten that bead, and there you have an ornament. Now, here's another one that we did. We did this for New Year's. We're having purple and lime green for New Year's. Isn't that adorable? It's just so pretty and so easy to make. I just love these ornaments. Well, thank you so much for sharing your day with me today. I hope you love these as much as I do. Do me a favor, please subscribe to me below and ring that bell. That way you know whenever I post a video. And I would love to have a thumbs up from you in the comments. So go out and have a great day. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video.